even some I know what I'm doing. Them, they know they can't walk. Them, see, they don't they run. After them, pick on them. Go down.
So you are the who? Okay. Okay. The other night, need to compile them because we're cleaning up all this before. Unu jua neck going on there. Nine, but only 2 now. How many are there supposed to be there?
They're supposed to be 2.
What about here? There's nobody. There's nobody here. I mean, I'm talking about after 10 in the morning. After 10 in the morning, and they're not yet on seat.
4 of them.
4 of them not yet on seat. Let's go. What are the other 3? They have not got into the office. What you do is to turn those chairs down. That's part of the shipping out that will have to go. Those who haven't come, we're going to shut them off for the remainder of this year. So they will have to go. They'll have to go. If by 10 in the morning, they're not yet shown up for work, they're supposed to be a civil servant, then it means they wouldn't need you.
Which job center?